Okay, we've done this. So can you explain this?
Okay, for that, well, you basically just did like a rectangle, split it diagonally, and I labeled this the width.
The
So the
width
width, the
is
shorter
9,
side, it would be
okay,
9 centimeters, and the
and the
um.
diagonal is 15.
So basically, I just did Pythagoras theorem to
Okay, to find what?
the area of the rectangle. So
No, no, no. Is it Pythagoras we use to find the area? You
oh,
know,
we
area is length
find
times breadth,
the,
is length times width. So we don't
to
know
find
length.
the
Okay,
side.
you said we use Pythagoras to find the length, isn't it? We use Pythagoras to find the length, and that will be, we subtract square of 15, that is 225. We subtract 81 from it. 225 minus 81. That should give us 144. Square root of 144, that means length is 12. So the area will now become length, which is 12 times the width, 9. And we'll get 108. That's correct. Okay, what do we have next? A square.
For this one, the square has a perimeter of 44 centimeters. Okay, so basically, since it's the perimeter, it's adding it up, and so you'd basically, and all the sides of a square equal. You basically just do 44 divided by 4, and then you do
Okay,
11 times.
44 divided by 4. To get the size of each side, that is 11 centimeter. So that means a square with 11 by 11. The area will simply be, that is length times length, which is 11 times 11. And we have 121. We have done this. For this one, what do we do here?
You just cross multiply. So you do
Yes.
2 times 3 plus a with 6 plus 2m equals 18.
6 times 3 is 18. So we open the bracket and we have 6 plus 2a equals to 18. And from there, what do we have? What do we do?
Collect like terms.
So we have 2a equals to 18 minus 6, which is 2a equals to,
Well,
that should give us 12, right?
mm-hmm.
Okay, so we have 12. Then we do what?
Divide both sides
By 2, being the coefficient of x. So a will be 6. Oh, subject of the formula.
I know how to do it. So
Okay.
basically, you
Okay.
put you turn the I into the T. Wait, you turn the I into a fraction, so you put it under 1 over 1, and then you cross
So you
multiply.
mean I over 1, then we cross multiply. Very good. Cross multiply. So can you cross multiply it and tell me what to write?
Okay, so you do you cross multiply 1 times PRT, and you get PRT equals 100I.
100
And
I.
you're trying to make T the subject, you do
Okay,
divide both sides by PR. So
exactly. Divide both side by PR. PR. So that this and this will go. We simply have C equals to 100I divided by PR. That's the value results for P, which is C. That's correct. What about this?
think a number. So you since it's a number, you put the number whatever it is as X. And
Okay.
since it's a doublet, you do 2x.
Okay, since it's double, it becomes 2x.
Mm-hmm. and then you divide it by 3.
So you
Equals
mean we divide this one by 3 now? Okay, we now say equals 16. And from here, what do we do?
turn 16 into a fraction
Okay,
and cross multiply.
so we have 2x and 3 times 16, I think it's 48, right?
Here's
So if
16.
you,
Yes.
okay, if you now, the final step is to remove that coefficient by dividing both sides by 48 divided by 2. So that is x is 24, which is B. Oh, that's good. Can you explain? We want to find x plus n. Can you explain what we do to get n? What do we do to get x?
Oh, wait a second. Said the diagram. Calculate angle marked x plus n. See, wait, 70. And oh shoot, that's the wrong angle. Wait, 70, 60 minus. Wait a second. Give me a second. Let me write it down.
Okay, first of all, you know that ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, so if 70 is here, what do you think will be on this other place? Look at this place.
110.
Okay, 110. How did you get that?
Because it's an angle on the straight line, so it's 180.
Yes, exactly, 110. But one thing about parallelogram too is that just like kite, that we have certain pair of angles equal facing each other. The angle facing parallelogram here, this one, is same thing as the one here. So x is 110 as well. Then, but because this line CD is parallel to line BA, and we have this diagonal CA as transversal, so you think of something like this. This one is parallel to this. So the angle here, if it is 24, it will also be angle here, 24. What reason is that? What theorem is that?
Oh, alternating?
Exactly. So this n is 24. So if you are now finding x plus n, that will be 110 plus 24, which is 134. C. Okay, can you explain this?
Okay. For 15 says, oh, okay. So basically, since it's an octagon and it's a polygon, you would do n minus 2 times 180. And since it has.
Okay, for octagon, the sum of angles, octagon has 8 angles, 8 sides. So it will be n minus 2, that's 8 minus 2 times 180. That is 6 times 180, that should give us. The sum of angles is 6 times 180, that is 1080, right? Which is this, that's the sum. Okay, degrees. And we're given that out of those 8 angles, 5 of them are summed to be 75. That means, 750, sorry. 5 of them are 750. How many angles do we have left?
3.
3. Since this one, 5 of them put together is 750. And the remaining 3 angles are equal. What do we do with that? What do we say?
You subtract 750 from 1080 and then divide by 3.
Exactly. Or we just say, if 5 of them is this, the remaining 3 that are equal, each of them is x. That is 3x. So we say addition of this one, 5 angles and 3 angles there equals to 1080, which means it's still the same as what you said. We subtract, we take this to the other side, subtract and divide by, so we get each of the equal angle to be 110. What about this?
So basically, as I have learned, sin is like it's a triangle or like a thing or a polygon, not triangle. You're supposed to do like n minus 2, and n is the like amount of, was it sides?
Yes,
Of,
n represent the number of sides, which is also equal to number of angle. So if you have n minus 2, but here they say overlapping, non-overlapping triangles, that it contains 18 triangles. What type of, for pentagon, for example, a pentagon 5-sided, how many triangles do you think we can, how many independent triangle do we have in a pentagon?
wait,
You know, n is 5. Number of sides is 5 for pentagon. But how many triangle do we have?
which 3?
Exactly. It can be divided into 3 because if you fix this place, for example, look at it, 1, 2. That is 3 triangles. That means the number of triangles is always 2 less than the number of sides. If sides is 5, number of triangle will be 5 minus 2. That is this n minus 2. So for this one, what number do they subtract 2 from to get 18?
20.
Exactly. That is n minus 2 equals to 18. If you collect items, n equals to 18 plus 2, that is 20. That means the polygon is 20-sided, and that is called icosagon. Right?
So since it said his father is 4 times the son, you put the son is like a letter, so like x.
Okay.
And the father would be x, 4x.
Exactly. Because father is 4 times. That's 4x.
And then it said in 7 years' time, the sum of theirs is 59. So you would do, wouldn't it be x plus 7?
Exactly. So for 7 years' time, we need to get their future age because this one is the present age. So in 7 years' time, the son will be x plus 7. 7 must have been added to his age, while the father will be 4x plus 7 that time. Okay, what do we do next?
So, and so you do that, and then you put, equals 59. Since
Exactly. Since some of their age is 59 that time, that means we had x plus 7 plus 4x plus 7 equals to 59. Then we solve. When you solve, you get the value of x. Then the age they ask is how old is the father? And the correct option is C, meaning that whatever you get for the value of x, you multiply by 4 to get the age of father. That's correct.